In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Xero. Deleting an invoice might be something you do when you've created a duplicate by mistake, entered the wrong customer, or used incorrect details that you don't want to simply edit. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can safely remove an invoice from your Xero account. First, log into your Xero dashboard in your usual way. Once you're in, look towards the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. You'll want to find the option labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming in from your customers. After you click Sales, you'll see several options related to your sales activities. From here, click on Invoices. This takes you to the main Invoices page, where you can see all of your invoices, usually organized by status, such as draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and so on. If you're working in a busy account, you might find it helpful to use the filters or search bar at the top to quickly locate the invoice you want to remove. Next, from the list of invoices, select the specific invoice that you want to delete. Make sure you choose the correct one, checking details like the contact name, the date, and the total amount. Once you've confirmed it's the right invoice, click on it to open the full invoice view. With the invoice open, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. This is usually located near the top right area of the invoice screen. Click on those three dots to reveal a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on this invoice. In that drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on Delete. Xero doesn't immediately remove the invoice, instead it will first show you a confirmation message. This is to prevent you from accidentally deleting something important. Finally, when the confirmation box appears, review it one more time to ensure you're deleting the correct invoice. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on Delete again to confirm. Xero will then permanently remove that invoice from your list. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Xero, keeping your records clean and accurate.